I'm sorry if my background noise gets disturbed, but stay tuned till the end. What if I tell you this would be the key to duplicate your creative impact on graphic design? If you notice, the graphic design industry is crossing its boundaries with the new trends day by day. So let's dive into most anticipating graphic design trends that makes you stand out. So if you look at a graphic design history, there are n number of trends that comes and goes, few stays for a long and few just keeps repeating. So here are few new concepts that might push you to the boundaries. The first notion is product tag design. You know this, the main motto of graphic design is to communicate. Whatever the industry that you're in or the industry that you're working for, just remember this. You're not selling the product, but the customer itself is buying the product. Confused? Wait. Let's take Virat. He's into branding for a so long time. Suppose if he is shooting an ad for a shoe brand, if you notice, he's not selling the product, but the customer itself is searching the product and buying it. Notice the difference? In the same way, even the product tag design works. Let's see how. So here you can see men's most favorite thing. I mean, the jacket that he's wearing. This is just a normal poster. What I do is, first I need to add my brand name. I have just added my brand name. The name is King. Now I just create a link on a product and what the product is. So here I am mentioning what the exact product that I am selling. And next I just added a price. The person who is gonna buy, he knows what the exact price is. And next is size. So here you can just see I have added a size, price and the particular product. That's it, nothing much. And additionally you can add more things like colors, discounts, etc. Make sure not to make clumsy. Keep it as simple as that. Now you can just compare how cool it looks. Suppose I'm a jacket lover and if I see this ad, and definitely I'll go through it and I'll see the price and I'll see the size, whether that is suitable for me, and I can directly go to the site and I can buy the particular jacket. Suppose if a person B who is not interested in these jackets, then he just ignores it. Here you can see I am not selling it. This is how you make out of graphic design. Here you can see one more example. I am selling the boots, where I have tagged the product and mentioned the price and size. If someone likes it, then they go into it or just ignore it. The next notion is Surrealism Collage. Here we take realistic and collide with some unrealistic thing. I mean, collaborating conscious with unconscious. Let's see how. And the next notion is UI card design. Nowadays, if you go through any social media, you'll see one trend called curve edges. So the trend just continues. Suppose you have a clothing brand. Clothing brand in the sense, the first thing comes to your mind, trendy clothes, fashions, etc. So here what I'm doing is, I'm just adding a simple image with a curve edge. If you just see this, you get a feel like app UI or some flyers, etc. Now I'm just adding a small code to it. And I'm adding a logo for the particular brand. That's it. Nothing apart from this. Here I'm just creating some curiosity about the brand. And one more thing, if you add anything apart from this, boom, done. It doesn't give the vibe. You just need to add some headings, logo, and that's it. Nothing apart from this. Keep it as simple as it. The next notion is UI card plus notification. Suppose let's take, you fought with your partner. After a while you get a notification saying the complete vibe changes. Funny, right? In the same way, here I am just taking one more UI card design. This is a fitness center and here I am just adding a small heading to it where invest in yourself today, and here I have mentioned it a logo, but here something is missing, so let's add some masala to it. So where I am just adding a small notification to it. After adding the notification, here you can see it is telling something about the health, about the heartbeat, about the blood pressure. If you are comparing these both, the complete meaning has just changed by just adding one notification to it. Simple but very powerful. So these are the 4 concepts that might help you in growing. Just understand this. In whatever the industry that you're in, you need to follow one thing. You need to keep upgrading your trends. If not, there might chances of moving out of the track. Even I am trying to upgrade it. Until then, keep supporting. Stay tuned.